Alright, I gotta do this before my PC dies. Also, I hope that voice wasn't shown in the video. Anyways, so now I can't see. Oh my gosh, I hate you, phone. Anyways, so I got a laptop. That's what I post my videos on, by the way. I got a monitor. I got an HDMI cord connected to monitor. Very simple. Anyways, so, and then we just go in here, you hit this button right here, but it's already pulled up because I already had to try this 4 other freaking times. And then you hit extended screen, which then you're able to open 2 different tabs at the same time and have a secondary monitor. You can plug this into a TV. All you need is a mouse, of course. Yeah, that's how you use it. Unless you want to use a D-pad, I guess. Unless you want to use this little thing. Mine's not very good. So, and then if you want, you can add a keyboard. I have it just plugged in right there. That was $3 at Goodwill. That was a pretty good deal. Anyways, and then you gotta have a TV, of course, a HDMI cord, a computer. You can use a Chromebook, technically, I think, depending if it has an HDMI port. That's about it. Bye.